namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Thank you for subscribing. And if you subscribe, whenever you subscribe, please press on the notification bell, okay? So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is the monthly message, monthly prediction. So May, what is going to happen in May, what to expect in the month of May, that is going to be the reading for today. As you can see, I have 3 piles over here and 3 cards I have kept, and 3 crystals. So you can choose from crystals, from cards, however you like. So just select a pile that calls to you intuitively, okay? So for group number 1, this is green aventurine crystal. For group number 2, it's snowflake obsidian. And for group number 3, it's sodalite. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, and choose a crystal or a card that calls to you. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So take your time, relax, let go of all the worries, let go of all the tension, and then select a pile that calls to you. Okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So timestamps will be in the description box, and if you want more time, please pause the video. I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, if you choose a green aventurine crystal, let's see how your month is going to be. So first is 7 of Wands, then we have 9 of Pentacles, and then we have 4 of Wands. Look at the wand energy, the fiery energy, a lot of passion. You're going to move towards your passion. So you wanted to do something for a while, and you were feeling that you need to stand your ground for something. Maybe you felt like that if you take this passion, no one will support you. So you were like in this defensive energy. Like I feel like you're letting go of this defensive energy, and you are taking small steps towards your goal. Okay, that is what I feel like. So, and when you take these small steps towards your goal, things are going to manifest for you guys. Things are going to complete for you guys. For some of you, there is a project that you wanted to complete. I feel in the month of May, you will be able to complete this project. But take small steps. Don't do everything in a hurry, okay? So take small steps. Small steps are very important. With this prudence card, I feel like that, you know, small steps, and you will get to the other end, okay? So you will complete the things you need to complete, okay? So there is a completion happening here. So a cycle is completing. Maybe for some of you, you will complete a course. Maybe you will pass an exam or something like that. So go slow, study, take your time. You don't have to stress too much, okay? For some of you, in relationship also, take small steps. You know, maybe for some of you, you meet a person, you don't have to hurry things. Small steps, take small steps, and when you do that, things will come in full circle for you guys. And definitely with this completion, you will feel very happy. I feel like that you will be very proud of yourself. By the end of the month, you will be very proud, and you will be very happy. You will be celebrating something. You will be like, yeah, I did it. I managed to do that. I reached the other end, right? So yeah, that is what I feel. Right now you are in this defensive energy. You are like, no, I will not be able to do it. I have to fight against people to achieve this. No, all you need to do is to take small steps, and you will be able to complete it, okay? Then let's see what else. Yeah, the situation is going to definitely improve. Right now you're feeling that you have to fight against so many things, so many people. This project is like weighing you down. Maybe people are weighing you down, or you feel like that you have so much of stress right now. You feel very stressed right now, and the situation is gonna improve. Definitely just take small steps. So for example, if it's about your health, you're feeling like you need to take care of your health, and you feel like you have to do it alone. Just take small steps. You don't have to be in this defensive energy like, oh my god, how I'm going to do it. You don't have to do that. You don't have to stress about it. You just need to take small steps to your health, small steps to your passions, small steps in your relationship also. So that is what is important here. Everything goes slow. Take care. You know, you don't have to speed up. When you speed up, what happens? You will just run, and you will fall down. You don't have to fall down, right? You go slow, and you will reach the other end of the sea, right? The other side. and the situation is definitely going to improve. And I can see the dolphins like have some playful energy, do something that makes you happy, like going out, enjoying with nature, or if you have children, play with them, right? Or if you like painting, do that. If you like calligraphy, do that. If you like planting seeds, or planting, you know, if you want to plant flowers, go do that, or whatever. Okay. So yeah, I feel it's all about your creation. You want to create something in your life, you are thinking about it. For some of you, it's your passion that you, maybe for some of you, you're planning on a business. Maybe it's like you want to write a book. For some of you, you want to start a blog. For some of you, you are thinking about your YouTube channel that you want to move forward with, or maybe your blog, or whatever. You are planning, you're sitting there, and you want, you are feeling like you're not getting the, you're not feeling very creative right now. So don't worry, you will get that creative ideas. You don't have to worry. All you need to do is to trust in yourself and meditate. When you meditate, or maybe listen to that there are a lot of meditations, like meditation music for creation or something like that. Just listen to that and it will help you. Okay. And yeah, or maybe you need to just I'm getting go out in the night, look at the stars. This will give you a lot of peaceful energy. Okay. And you will get ideas. Okay. So whatever your project is, whatever you're working on, take small steps. Okay. You don't have to hurry things. You don't have to compare yourself with anyone. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is trust, and trust in your own capability, in your own talents. And when you do that, things will come in full circle. Things will be completed. You're not going to miss out on anything. Okay. Only, yeah, I don't, it's important you don't get into this impatient energy or something like that. That is also very important. Yeah, look at that. We have Devil and Ten of Pentacles. So for some of you, it's about your finances that you're worrying about. For some of you, it's about your relationship, whether this will happen or not. So you're worrying, you're stressing a lot. For some of you, you need to get rid of this unhealthy people around you. Maybe there are people around you in your family who are telling you that you will not be able to make it, because there are some people like that, right? They will do that. They will try to put you down. You need to let go of that people and understand that is their energy, not yours. You need to break free from that. For some of you, you are feeling restricted because of your family. I feel like that. Maybe you have a lot of responsibilities in your family, and you have this passion also. You want to make that happen. At the same time, you want to take care of your family members also. Remember, you can do it. You can do it. All you need to take is small steps. That is the whole point here for May month. Take small steps towards success. Whatever you want to achieve, take small steps. And with this Devil energy also, take small step towards that. Get rid of your negative thoughts. Or for some of you, if you are having an unhealthy pattern or something like that, you need to get rid of that. Or maybe for some of you, you need to let go of that. Maybe in your family there is a person who is very controlling. You need to sometimes we cannot control that person, but we can control our emotions, right? So all you need to do is focus on that. But definitely with this Ten of Pentacles, I am getting that you will be able to, for some of you, you will be able to get away with your negative thoughts, and you will you will have a good time with your family. For some of you, I feel like that. Okay, for some of you, it's about like you want to meet your family, you're not able to meet your family, and because of that you're stressing. The situation is going to improve, and everything will be okay in the month of May. You will be able to travel also, I feel, for some of you. You want to meet your family and you're stressing whether you will meet them or not, or you're stressing about the safety of your family. You don't have to stress about it. Okay, be patient, everything is going to be okay. You will be celebrating soon with your family with this completion, Four of Wands energy and Ten of Pentacles. So your family is safe. That is also I'm feeling like. You don't have to worry. Your passion is safe. You will be able to make the finances. Okay, you will be able to make that growth. You money wise, if you're feeling that you're lacking, you will be able to make it. So get out of that lack mentality. And definitely, if you have a pattern, if you have a behavior that is not good for you, you need to get rid of it. Okay, slowly but surely. Yeah, manifestation. Yes, your manifestations are coming true. Treat your manifestations with love. Don't put too much of stress on that. Sometimes what happens, we stress whether our manifestation will come true or not. We will be scripting, we will be doing every sort of manifestation, we will be doing water manifestation, everything we'll be doing, but we'll not believe in it. So when we don't believe in it, it's not going to happen. So you need to believe in it. Believe in your manifestation with love, and be hopeful about it, that you will be able to make it. You will be able to get into the other side of the sea. For some of you, definitely you want to travel and you want to get to your family. You will be. If you're manifesting that, manifest. Be hopeful. Okay, so that is all for group number 1. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 2, if you chose this snowflake obsidian, let's see how your May month is going to be. So let's start with the tarot cards. I have pulled out. This is Ace of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. This is Page of Pentacles. All you got is about Pentacles. So you are very, maybe for some of you, you are worried about your career or something like that, where you are worried whether your career will grow or not, or maybe you want a new job, you're like worried whether I will get a new job. For some of you, you are worried about your finances, you are worried about, and we have snowflake obsidian also. I feel like with this Capricorn energy I'm getting, you know, you're worried about your career, you're worried about your reputation, whether you will be able to grow your career, whether you will be able to make it, you know, whether your finances will grow. Definitely for some of you, you want a new job or something, you are applying for new job or something like that. If you're doing that, be patient guys, because yeah, definitely there is a chance. With this Ace of Pentacles, there is a new door opening up for you guys, because when Ace of Pentacles comes, it's like a new door of abundance is opening up for you guys, like divine is giving you that opportunity. And we have Page of Pentacles also, like growth. So growth is happening, everything is going to be in order. If you're feeling like financially you're not doing good, or in your home life you're not doing good, everything is going to come in order. Look at that. Yeah, because we have this order, wealth. So yeah, finances, your career, maybe your career is not moving the way you want, maybe you're not feeling it, right? But everything will be in order. That is what these 3 cards are letting me know. Look at the green color, right? So yeah, the abundance is coming, the prosperity is coming. I'm not saying that you will be millionaire next month, that is not I'm saying, but definitely there is a door that is opening up for you guys. If you have lost job, there is a possibility that you will receive some news regarding that job, or maybe you will get some offer letter, or maybe you will like get an appointment for interview or something like that. So go for it with confidence, be confident and just take it. And for some of you, if you are doing something with your passion, or maybe you have a hobby that you're trying to make into a career, or you have a YouTube channel that you want to grow, whatever you're doing, keep on doing, because it's working. So just be patient guys, because you're growing and you're learning a lot of things, so everything will be in order. So don't worry too much about your finances. Okay, yeah, we have darkness here. So for some of you, maybe you have lost a job and you're like feeling very dark, you're feeling like maybe for some of you, you have gone through a tower moment where you felt like things were okay at this yeah, for sometimes we feel like things are going good and something happens, something unexpected happened, and we are like, oh god, what happened? We'll be like that, you know. Maybe for some of you it's about your stability. Look at your numbers. We have 40 and then we have 4. Okay, so maybe you're seeing number 444 and it's telling you that yes, your stability is like, yeah, you have gone through something where you felt insecure. Maybe in home life you felt insecure, maybe in your finances you felt insecure, you felt like you are in a dark period, like things are not moving for you guys, you felt like, where I'm going, right? But you are ascending, you're coming out of that dark period. Okay, that is what I feel like. So be hopeful guys, because look at this, so much greenery here, from the darkness to the green you're going. Okay, everything is going to be in the order. Yeah, look at the cards. We have opportunity coming. I told you, maybe for some of you, new job, new opportunity, maybe for some of you, collaboration, maybe you're doing some work from home, or maybe you want to learn something new, you will be getting an opportunity. Maybe for some of you, I'm getting internship. For some of you, if you're trying to do that, you will get the opportunity about in that also. For this pile, you're just worried about your finances, your home life, how you will provide to your family or something like that. Or maybe you're worried about your career, you want to grow in your career. Yes, you will grow. Just keep on learning, keep on working, because we have this cow. I feel with cow, a lot of abundance is coming for you guys. Okay, So yeah, definitely there is opportunity. There is a lot of opportunity, collaboration, lot of business opportunity. If you have gone through like business, in business you have gone through some losses, it will be okay. Everything will be in order. Everything will be back in order. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you will get that opportunity. For some of you, like collaboration also I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, 8 of Pentacles, it's about learning. For some of you, you wanted to learn something, and yeah, maybe about that some letter is coming. Maybe you applied for a job, or you applied for a course or something. That information will be coming for you guys in the May month. And yeah, for some of you, if you have been working on a skill, if you have been like if you have been working on a YouTube channel, if you have been working on your Instagram page, if you have been working on your business, if you have been creating something, if you are an artist, if you are learning something, there is growth coming. Okay, there is happiness coming here. You, whatever you're learning, whatever you're doing, this thing will provide you a lot of opportunity, and this will take you away from that darkness. Okay, you're moving towards light for sure. Yeah, look, we have 9 of Cups, so you will be very satisfied with your work, with your career I'm getting, and whatever you're going to learn, you will be very satisfied with that also. A lot of emotional satisfaction. Maybe you have a wish that is going to come true with this 9 of Cups. Maybe you wanted to get a new job, or maybe you applied for a course. You will be getting selected to that or something like that. Yeah, there is a good opportunity coming. Finally, you're moving towards light, and you will be feeling very satisfied. Relationship change. For some of you, maybe this might be about relationship. Maybe you have gone through a dark period, or maybe through a breakup. Okay, so yeah, new door is opening up for you guys. Maybe you're working on yourself, and you're connecting with yourself, you're healing yourself. So maybe for some of you, will meet someone, maybe someone will email you, and I'm getting a friend might turn into a lover for some of you. I don't know, there is a relationship change happening here for some of you. Okay, maybe they will propose to you, or they will tell how they feel about you, something like that also, and you will be very happy with this person. For some of you, you are manifesting a relationship. Maybe if you're single, there is a chance, a possibility that you will get into a relationship. And for some of you, if you are already in a relationship, I feel your relationship is going to get stronger with this 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Cups. Look at that. We have like love energy. Okay. Okay, you will be very satisfied in your relationship. And for some of you, you are changing, you are growing, you are evolving, you're becoming more, like you're getting out of this dark period, you're connecting with yourself more. Okay, so that is also I see for you guys. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you choose this sodalite crystal, let's see what is your message for the month of May. So a lot of worry energy, a lot of anxiety and anxious energy, I can feel like that. Yeah, we have the Despair card. Maybe you can use sodalite crystal if you have, for because this will calm your energy, or maybe meditate using sodalite. Of course you need to meditate, guys. Yeah, or maybe drink some good milk with, I don't know, I'm getting this milk with turmeric, or maybe you can do that. Maybe drink milk, or maybe read a book before going to sleep. Read some good books, or maybe watch some good things that makes you happy. Don't watch horror movies. I don't know, I feel like you might be having nightmares or something like that. Maybe if you're watching horror movies before going to bed, don't do that for some of you, right? So take care of your sleep. Okay, maybe your sleep pattern is not good. Maybe you watch movies till like 1 o'clock and then you sleep. Change that. Okay, that will help you a lot. Okay, I'm getting, yeah. Oh wow, look, we have number 9 and we have number 10, and then we have number 1. So yeah, things are looking up. Things are going good. Okay, so you're ending a cycle. So maybe for some of you, you have gone through a low period. Maybe energetically you didn't feel good. Okay, emotionally you didn't feel good. But things are changing for you guys in the month of May. Things are looking good. The wheel is gonna turn in your favor. You know, like the wheel goes up, and then the wheel goes down, then it comes up, right? Every season is not going to be spring, right? There are different seasons. things are not going to bloom up every time. So I feel like maybe you have gone through some low period in your life. Now it's like things are changing up for you guys. The wheel of fortune is here. I feel something will happen that will make you happy. For some of you, you're going to be you'll look very beautiful. I feel like you will be very charming in the month of May. So be confident in yourself. That is what is important. Be proud of yourself. And yes, you have gone through some difficulties. I feel for many of you, you have gone through a difficult period, but you are letting go of that difficult period and you're moving forward. Okay, your energies are shifting. That is what I see. Like you're becoming you're connecting with yourself more. You're emotionally feeling satisfied. Okay, so if you have a lot of worry, if you have maybe for some of you, you might have lost someone, or maybe because of that you were not able to sleep properly or something like that. That is shifting for you guys. Okay, but take care of your health. If you feel like that you need to consult a doctor, go ahead and do that. But definitely I feel this energy is going to shift for you guys. Things are moving for you guys energetically. I see that there is a shift coming for you guys. Yeah, you're connecting with yourself more, you're connecting with your emotions more, you're taking care of yourself. And it's a message also, advice for you guys to take care of yourself more, take care of your health more, eat good diet, eat properly. Sometimes we don't feel like eating. Maybe you were like that, where you didn't feel like eating. So take care of that also. Eat properly, don't overeat also. So yeah, for some of you, definitely I see with this ace, maybe you are shifting homes, maybe you're going to a new place, or maybe you will relocate or somewhere, maybe you're thinking about it. For some of you, maybe a new person is entering, maybe you will connect with a friend. Okay, I'm getting that also. But that I feel emotionally you will feel good, you're feeling whole again. You haven't felt that for a long period of time. Right now I feel in the May month your energy is shifting, you're connecting with yourself more. Okay, yeah, definitely we have this card here, Queen of the Moon, right? 5 number. Things are shifting for you guys. Yeah, things were very challenging for you guys. You have gone through maybe for some of you have really gone through depression or something like that, anxiety. But yeah, that is shifting. Finally you are gaining that energy back. Things are energetically shifting. Yeah, you're becoming confident again, you're becoming courageous again, you have the energy to move forward. And yeah, that is what I feel like. You're taking care of yourself. Maybe after many days you're putting on makeup, or you're putting a good dress, you're you're getting out of bed and feeling that energy inside of you. You're taking care of your everything, your house. Maybe you're cleaning houses, maybe you're trying to learn something new, finally getting out of the bed. I feel like for some of you, finally you're getting out of the bed and you have the energy to do things. So yeah, the May month look good. So there is a shift. You're connecting with yourself more, you're taking care of yourself more. Things are changing. If you're going through a low period, definitely things are shifting for you guys. Okay, yeah, so look, your angels are with you. With this card I see, look, ask your angels. Your angels are near you, they are guiding you. All you need to do is ask for a sign. They will give you the sign. Connect with them. You have that power to connect, because when this card comes, it means you can connect with them. Otherwise why this card will come? So ask your angels, ask your spirit guides, ask your Krishna Bhagwan, or ask Ganesh Bhagwan, whichever God you believe in, ask them. They will help you. Okay, they are guiding you, they are supporting you, they are with you in this. They haven't they are you. Sometimes we feel like that we are alone. No, you are not. You are connected to the universe, and remember that, and build that connection. Meditate properly. Are you meditating? Whenever you feel stressed, it's important you let go of that energy and meditate. Yeah, I know it's very difficult. It's very difficult, I understand that, but angels are telling you, they will show you the way. Just ask them. Okay, things are changed. Definitely there is a shift. I have to say. Yeah, again, look at that. We have the World card and the Star. Again, you're completing a cycle. For some of you, I am getting this Aquarius. Maybe from January you were not feeling good or something like that. Things were not happening, but yeah, things are going to look good from May month. Okay, be positive. Things are ending, a cycle is ending, and whatever you're trying to manifest in your life, I feel that manifestation is going to come for sure. Okay, be confident. yeah, with this Ace, I feel like a wish is coming true for you guys in the May of month. You will, for some of you, it's a wish to get out of the bed and do your things, or maybe you want to get back into your old self, and that is also happening, right? So yeah, for some of you, you might travel, as I said, with this Ace and World. Maybe you will get an opportunity to travel, to relocate, to visit some of your friends. Maybe you will go out, maybe you will go to go on a road trip. Okay, that is also possible. But definitely a lot of hope is coming your way. You're going to be very hopeful in the month of May, and definitely there is a shift in the energy, so don't worry guys. Okay, yeah, you're getting back on track. Okay, that is what I feel. Maybe for some of you left some, you were trying to do something, and maybe for some of you, you were trying to build a business and something happened and you left that, and now you're trying to rebuild it again in the May month. Okay, something is gaining momentum again. So yeah, something was going very slow, something was very stagnant, and now finally things are going to move again. Forward movement. Okay, be hopeful guys in the month of May, because things are changing. We have the butterfly transformation. This period has changed you a lot. Okay, maybe you have changed a lot, but definitely you're getting back. You're becoming whole again. I feel like that you're connecting with yourself more. You're understanding that you are powerful. Okay, you're gaining that confidence back. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.